Hey, let me show you how to set the Webex Meetings app so you can join your scheduled meetings from the iOS calendar. First, add the meeting to your iOS calendar app. Open the meeting invitation from your email invite. If necessary, tap Allow to let the Webex site show you the invite. Review the meeting details, and then tap Add to Calendar. When it's time to join your meeting, open the Calendar app and tap today's date. Tap the handset icon next to Webex Meet to go directly into your meeting. You can also add meetings from the iOS Calendar app into the Webex Meetings app. Open the Webex Meetings app and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, go to www.webex.com to sign up. Tap the top left settings icon, and then tap Meeting List. Make sure the switch next to Device Calendar is on. If necessary, tap the switch to turn it on. If you're using Microsoft Office 365 to schedule meetings, you can populate the meeting list with meetings that you scheduled using Office 365. Tap the switch next to Office 365 Calendar, and then sign into your account. Your Office 365 meetings are automatically added to the list. You can keep any number of your meeting list sources turned on, and any duplicate meetings are automatically removed. Meetings in your device calendar now appear in the meeting list. Slide the screen left from the Webex Meetings home screen to see My Meetings. Tap the Join button to go directly to your meeting. Give it a try